With iOS 18, now you can easily convert the currency. So we will open our calculator application on iPhone, and then you'll want to click on this little calculator icon, which is at the bottom left of the screen. You'll then get a couple of different options, but the one option in which we're interested in is this convert option, and we want to enable this switch right here. That's going to open the currency converter in our calculator application, and you can see that we have one currency at the top, which is the euro in my case, and we have the American dollar at the bottom. I can enter in a value in euros and it will automatically convert this into US dollars. If you need to switch the two and convert dollars into euros, we have this little switch icon, so just tap here once and your currencies will be switched or rotated. And lastly, if you need to change the currencies into something else, you'll want to tap on these two arrows next to the currency which you want to change, and that's going to open another page in the calculator, and you can find and select your currency on this list. Also, the new calculator app on iOS 18 gives us an option to convert other units, such as the angle, area, the energy, fuel, length, and many more things. So that's how we can convert the currency, as well as other things in the calculator app on iPhone. Just update to iOS 18 and you'll get all of these features. Enjoy!